Good evening. As we come on the air tonight, communities across the state are recovering from the 10 tornadoes that touched down during Friday's severe storms.
One of the areas hardest hit was Independence County. The sheriff's office there today confirming the identities of the 3 Arkansans killed in the storm. Evelyn Ginn, Norma Mobley, and Ellen Light all died. All were residents of the city of Cushman, and 20 others in that area were also injured. Well, Channel 7's Andrew Mobley is in Cushman for us tonight. He has the very latest. Andrew.
People are picking up the pieces and emotions are raw here in Cushman, one of the hardest hit places during that tornado outbreak Friday night. County officials told Channel 7 that at least 20 buildings, many homes, were destroyed.
Very emotional for everybody. Everybody you talk to out here gets very emotional. You try to help. They don't really want anything, but they let you help them, and that's what this community comes together. Claxton Loop Road, just outside Cushman city limits, was devastated by what authorities described as a high-end EF-3 tornado. It was on that road that the 3 women who lost their lives resided. Mobley and Light were sisters and shared a mobile home. Ginn lived in a house less than a couple hundred yards away.
2 were found the night of right there. 1 was found with traumatic injuries, transported to White River and pronounced at the hospital.
Cushman volunteer firefighter Ashton Armstrong has been hard at work with the rest of her department amid the recovery effort, providing food, water, clothes, and other donated necessities to tornado victims. Armstrong was hit hard by the death of Light, who babysat her as a child.
I was driving by in our brush truck, and I had seen that her house was totally destroyed, and I broke down crying. She pretty much was like a second mom to me.
Local officials say people in the community and agencies statewide were quick to come to Cushman's aid and continue to offer assistance.
That night it was volunteers, local farmers, with their tractors and equipment and chainsaws.
We've had sheriffs from all across the state that have offered to send people up to help.
Unfortunately, Channel 7 has received unconfirmed reports of looting. Arkansas State troopers and National Guard soldiers have been posted on a 24/7 watch in the area to deter that activity and keep onlookers from getting in the way of emergency and utility vehicles.
We're going to help everyone recover and get back to normal as much as can be the case. Of course, they've lost, in some cases, everything they own. So it's going to take some time to get back to normal.
Authorities say they expect power to be restored in the areas affected here around Cushman by Wednesday this week. On your side, I'm Andrew Mobley.
All right, Andrew, thanks so much. And we'll have any updates about the situation in Cushman over on KATV.com.